Hey everyone, Simon Says Money here. Welcome back to another video. We just traded our final week of February of 2021, and today I'll be talking about three stocks. The first one is MP, and the next two are two SPACs, CCIV and AHAC. Before we get into this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I make content on the stock market, investing, and hopefully together we can achieve financial freedom. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor or CPA. Please use your own investment decision. This is for entertainment purposes only. Now let's get on to this video. First, I'll play a clip from CNBC on what MP Materials is.
I think what separates us from a lot of what we see out there, and as you know, and I'm sure you're going to talk about plenty, this is a new gold rush, right? Whether it's gold rush, railroads, internet, everybody can kind of look around and just see the scale of capital coming to the electrification. I think it's pretty much fait accompli that this is happening. We're profitable today. We just in our early stages. As we continue to transform, we have this unique opportunity where we're a picks and shovels play on this.
MP Materials Corp owns and operates integrated rare earth mining and processing facilities. It owns and operates the Mountain Pass facility located in the Western Hemisphere. The company holds the mineral rights to the Mountain Pass mine and surrounding areas, as well as intellectual property rights related to the processing and development of rare earth minerals. It offers neodymium and praseodymium that are rare earth elements, which in combination form neodymium praseodymium. What are rare earth elements? Rare earth are fundamental building blocks of the modern economy. MP Materials produces high purity separated neodymium and praseodymium, NdPr oxide, lanthanum and cerium oxides and carbonates, and a heavy rare earth concentrate. Rare earth are a series of chemical elements found in the earth crust. Unique magnetic and electrochemical properties of the rare earth elements enable technologies to perform with greater efficiency, performance, and durability, often by reducing weight, emissions, or energy consumption. Rare earth enabled technologies power global economic growth, enabling life-saving products and helping to shrink our carbon footprint. Why are rare earth metals called rare? Rare earth elements, as known as REEs, are a set of 17 chemical elements. Although they are called rare earth elements are not extremely rare on Earth. They were called this because they are spread very evenly over the Earth, so it is hard to find a lot in one place. Which country has the most rare earth? China is the world's dominant producer of rare earth elements with more than 95% of production. Only one rare earth mine at Mountain Pass, California, has ever been developed in the United States. The cost of putting together a REE mine can cost up to $500 million or more. What are the bad impacts of mining rare elements? The processing of rare earth elements can result in erosion, sinkholes, loss of biodiversity, or the contamination of soil, groundwater, and surface water by the chemicals emitted from the mining process. Because China controls almost over 95% of market share of rare earth elements, the US decides to have their own processing company of rare earth elements to reduce its dependence on Chinese supply. That's one of the reasons that MP Materials gets a lot of attention, as well as private and government funds. As you know, the overall market was falling, but MP Materials was an exception. Shares of rare earth metals miner MP Materials jumped as much as 15%. MP Materials came public via a SPAC in late 2020. MP Materials is the process of expanding its business so it can provide a broader and more comprehensive replacement to Chinese rare earth supplies. I believe that no matter what happens in the stock market, MP Materials is a stock to own and hold for a while because of its unique nature in terms of importance and non-replacement. Now I would like to present a hot stock that people have been talking about a lot and in two of my previous videos, CCIV. Churchill Capital does not have significant operation. It intends to effect a merger, a capital stock exchange, asset acquisition, stock purchase, reorganization, or similar business combination with one or more businesses. The company was founded in 2020 by legend Michael Klein. In one of my videos, I presented the SPAC ETF. I presented that 65% of SPAC stock goes down within a month after the merger. We can also note that 71% of those stock goes down in 1 year. It looks like CCIV falls in the 65% category because once CCIV announced its merger with Lucid Automotive, its share price dropped by almost 40%. Once again, a typical buy on the rumors, sell on the news. So next time with another SPAC stock, remember this rule. 65% down in 1 month after merger, unless you strongly believe that the SPAC stock you are holding will be falling in the other 35%. But regarding CCIV, after its big drop, its curve is very interesting and its business is still promising. Let's analyze this chart. This candlestick star with a big volume, then the following 2 consecutive days down with big volume as well. We would be able to conclude that it is reaching the bottom, and anytime from here it will be starting to bounce back violently. And if we change the chart to a 30-minute interval, we can see more clearly that it is reaching the bottom and the MACD lines show more clearly. Okay, is it a long-term investment? It's hard to say. I would rather treat CCIV as a short-term speculation for many reasons. Lucid Automotive produces high-end EVs, at least for now. As we remember, Tesla also started with production of high-end cars first about 10 years ago, Tesla Model X. It didn't do too well, only after Tesla started the massive production of low-cost Tesla Model 3. Tesla became a hot stock. Therefore, I doubt that the high-end car of Lucid Automotive will be able to sell easily at the beginning unless they change their strategy, so we will see. Nevertheless, Lucid Automotive is the only real competitor to Tesla in the US, and that's the reason why that I put some conviction in the stock CCIV. Now I would like to present another SPAC stock, Alpha Healthcare Acquisition Corp. Ticker symbol AHAC, currently trading at $11.49. Alpha Healthcare Acquisition does not have significant operations, just like a SPAC. It intends to affect the merger, capital stock exchange, asset acquisition, stock purchase, reorganization, or similar business combination with one or more businesses. They are trying to merge with Humacyte. Let me show you a quick video on the Humacyte company and what they are about.
For the first time in this country, a patient has had a blood vessel implanted that was actually grown in a laboratory.
It's all part of a clinical trial that is being conducted.
Humacyte is doing something that no one else in the world has achieved.
This is a revolutionary technology. For the first time, we're going to be able to make engineered human tissues at commercial quantities that would be available for surgeons to use off the shelf.
On February 17, 2021, Humacyte, a developer of universally implantable bioengineered human tissues and organs, has agreed a deal to go public through a merger with this blank check acquisition company, Alpha Healthcare Acquisition Corp. The merger would give Humacyte a pre-money valuation of $800 million, with the company potentially worth around $1.1 billion upon closing of the deal. With the current stock price around $12, which is pretty close to the bottom line of guaranteed $10, we cannot lose too much, especially the rumor is out about its merger with Humacyte and its unique technology of HAV. I have good expectation in this stock AHAC. That's it for today's video. We had a brutal week in the stock market. I know a lot of people are invested in tech, and those tech sectors are really down a lot, like Apple, Tesla, and the ARX fund. But let's take these 2 days to do more research and get some more studying done on the stock market, learn more stuff, relax a bit, and get ready for trading on Monday. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I do want to help you guys and help myself achieve financial freedom. I make videos on the stock and stock market investing, so turn on that bell notification so you don't miss one of my videos. Again, thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.